frozen, yet a Coke. Not a solid, but not a...
Messages transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Division of Criminal Investigation. 2 children were abducted by Katrina Say in a green 2014 Chevy Cruze with the South Dakota personalized plate dummy van. Katrina Say is a 37-year-old white female that is 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs 260 pounds. She has green eyes with blonde or brownish hair. If you have seen these children, the suspect, or the vehicle, call 605-673-8176 immediately. Tune the local media for additional details and updates. Once again, the South Dakota Department of Criminal Justice has issued an Amber Alert. Tune to the local media for further details.
Place at a time.
Because of this,